Ever feel stuck saying the same thing over and over? You heard some great news from a friend and congratulations seems a little bland. Well, fear not. We've got some fantastic synonyms to spice up your vocabulary. First up, let's talk about well done. This phrase is a great way to acknowledge someone's achievement. Imagine your friend aced their exam. You could say, wow, that's amazing. Well done on getting such a high score. Well done emphasises the hard work and effort they've put in. Moving on, how about when someone achieves something exciting? You can shout, hooray! It injects a burst of joy and happiness into the moment. Now let's say your friend achieved a lifelong dream. You feel incredibly happy for them. Imagine your friend finally opening their dream bakery. I'm absolutely delighted for you. This is fantastic. Did you hear some fantastic news secondhand, for example? I heard you won the competition. Thrilled to hear that. Sometimes someone's success is a journey, not a destination. If a friend is consistently working hard towards a goal, you can use keep up the good work. It's a motivational pat on the back that keeps them going. And finally, the bonus word, onwards and upwards. This phrase encourages continued success after a milestone. Imagine your friend just graduated. You could say, congratulations on graduating. Onwards and upwards to your next adventure. Phew, that was a lot of great synonyms. We covered well done, hooray, delighted for you, thrilled to hear that, keep up the good work, and the bonus onwards and upwards. Hope you learned something new today. Let me know in the comments what other vocabulary topics you'd like to explore. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun English learning content. See you next time.